Hello and welcome to the second episode of this short 5-video series of how to find a product using Helium 10 with James from Freedom Pass. So without further ado, let's dive on in. Okay, welcome back. Now, in the last episode, we did a brief demonstration on the ways you could differentiate yourself from the competition based off the search result that we yielded from our black box search. And the conclusion was that we would do a 10-pack of the brushed nickel variation, as you can see here. So now in this next episode, I'm going to show you how we can take this a step further. And the next thing we need to do is, see at the top here, I have the Helium 10 Chrome extension. And if you don't have this yet, don't worry, as it's very simple to install. And if you click the video that's just shown up at the top of your screen now, there is a direct link to a tutorial all about this extension. Now, once you have the Helium 10 Chrome extension installed in your browser, it will show up at the top here. And now if you click this, you will be presented with a range of Helium 10 tools that will be embedded into your browser. But for this second episode, I will now be demonstrating the tool Review Insights, as this is another great way of analysing your competitors and seeing how you can be different from them and how you can beat them. We'll go down here now and we will click Review Insights. And now, if you are not already logged into Amazon, it will ask you to log into your Amazon account. So I'll just go and do that now, and then we'll be back in a second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. We are now logged in to our Amazon seller account, and also we had to log into our Amazon buyer account. So just bear that in mind if it's still not loading for you. You need to be logged into your buyer account and your seller account. But okay, now we have Review Insights. And as you can see here, it's pulled up all the product reviews from the listing that we have been examining. And you can now filter these reviews by different parameters, such as most helpful, most recent. Let's have a scroll through. We've got filters here. So see, you've got different date ranges, only verified, only helpful, only with images, only with videos, etc. And then also, if I press the arrow here next to all ratings, you can filter it by 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 stars. And you can also select the specific variations, which are the colours which we were speaking about. So each colour has its own separate reviews as well. But bear in mind, this might not be completely accurate, as the reviews do get combined together for all the different colours. But it's still a useful feature, and you feel free to play with this yourself. But as a good starting point, I'm going to go back to all ratings. I'm going to untick 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now I will scroll down and click Apply Filters. Now you can see it's pulled up all of the 1-star reviews. And what we can do with this information is we can find out all of the mistakes that the competition is making, and then we can solve those problems in order to increase customer satisfaction, and then this is ultimately how we will beat our competition. So let's just have a little look through this now. Ordered 24-pack and received 18. Straight away, that's just ridiculous. Obviously, there could have been some mix in the factory or the Amazon warehouse, but as a seller, you need to make sure these mistakes do not happen, or you will be getting marked down for it. Here we go. Terrible quality. All came with bronze paint missing. So what I would now do is, when I'm sourcing this product from my supplier, I would tell them this issue, and I would say, I've investigated the market and customers have been experiencing problems with the bronze paint missing. And then I would order a sample from the factory, and then I would also buy a sample from the competition, and I would compare the two qualities, and I would ensure that the bronze paint is not missing, as having 1-star reviews is detrimental to your product listing, and Amazon takes customer satisfaction very seriously. So you need to be aware of all of these things, and this is the true power of Helium 10, which is why we recommend it so highly here at Freedom Pass. So all you need to do now is spend time going through these 1-star reviews, play with all the different filters and parameters, as it can also be beneficial to look at some of the 5-star reviews, see what they've done right, as you can then do those things as well, which then the customers have actually proven are a positive. So it's a combination of fixing the problems and then going with what the customers liked as well. So just spend some time, scroll through these reviews, and you'll have a much better insight into how you can beat your competition. And that's about it for episode 2. I hope you found this information useful. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful Amazon information like this. So thank you, and I'll catch you in the next episode.